running a test. Let's take a test here, for example. We'll look at the range of motion cervical and the flexion test here. So when we're running a test here, we have a place here for the primary score and the secondary score. So we can click on, we measure the client's range of motion with the inclinometer and then enter in the value here of 70. Click on the enter button or tab button. If we're using a dual inclinometer system, we'd be putting in the secondary score as well, and the difference would be calculated. The default in this particular test is set at 0. Down here at the bottom, you can see that the software has done the calculations. The norm is 60. The difference or the score here was 70. So the score in this case is 116% of the norm. We could add additional tests by clicking on the plus button here, so we could add additional trials. So we could have a trial of, say, 76 degrees, and then a third trial here of 80 degrees. And then the software would then calculate the coefficient of variation, and that would be the 5% score down at this side. There are some instructions here for each one of the tests. If you're looking for more detailed instructions on how to perform the test, you can click on the help button over here, and the help button will open up the help file. And that'll give you some more detailed instructions on how to conduct the test. This top line here is the current heart rate, the posture, so the posture defaults automatically to the posture that the client's in. And if we want to make observations in a test, we can click on the observations button. And we'll see here we can now enter in the client's heart rate. So if we enter in the heart rate here of 67, you can see the current heart rate there is now registered at 67, the max heart rate is 191, and the percentage of max is listed up here at 35%. We have pain level, we have a series of different things for signs of effort, so we can click on these and they'll automatically then go into the report. Signs of discomfort, signs of intolerance, reason for the test being terminated, and then general places here for putting in anything that the client reports or any clinical observations that you make throughout the evaluation itself.